how to access memory on Snapchat Web. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access your Snapchat memories on Snapchat Web. If you didn't know, you can view, manage your memories directly from the Snapchat Web on your computer. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to web.snapchat.com. Then you need to log into your account. Now, as you can see here, you have no simply direct memories option, but what you can do is simply tap on your profile or Bitmoji. After that, simply go to My Data. Here, as you can see, you can find memories and other media. Simply tick on all the other information, and what you need to do is click on memories and that. And at the top, as you can see, download data for which are available. Simply at the top, as you can see, download. Simply click on it, and all the information that you've ticked will be download. And that's it. While you can't directly access your Snapchat memories, this is how you can simply download your data and simply access the memories and photos and all the videos.